Riding a bicycle is an activity that is fun for everyone. What would you do when it's a day off of work and the weather is nice? You gather your friends and go on a nice ride together. Or are you getting into the cycling world and would like to know what gadgets you should get? Either way, not only is cycling fun, but it also contributes to your overall health. But wait, what if we told you there are gadgets you could buy to enhance your cycling experience? Beeline Bike Navigation Gadget. Introducing the incredible Beeline Bike Navigation Gadget. This is a small device that attaches to your bicycle's handlebars, and since it's so lightweight, you won't even feel it's there. It's perfect for when you're riding around the city and need some guidance, so you won't get lost in the traffic chaos. This device uses smartphone navigation to figure out where you are so that it can give you precise navigation. The directions it suggests show up on an LED display, which is a cool circle with different colors. Inside the circle, there is a little white dot that tells you where you need to go, and the other segments show you upcoming turns. Apart from being so light, it's nice to look at too. It has that single, curved line that dynamically changes color and direction to guide you to your destination without effort. These changing color schemes keep you focused on the road ahead without needing to divert your attention. Furthermore, the display is designed to be easily visible even from a distance, ensuring its legibility even when you're wearing sunglasses. You don't have to worry if it's raining either because of its water resistance properties, and has a long-lasting battery that will give you up to 10 hours on a single charge to help you on those long rides without the worry of running out of power, which makes it the perfect companion for the urban cycling. Even with all these awesome features, the Beeline doesn't really cost much. Even though it is a great deal for people who are looking in the market for a reliable bike navigation device that can give you all the high-tech goodness, it's still pretty affordable. Lumos Kickstart. What is the very first thing you see when someone in front of you is cycling? The helmet, of course. Speaking of helmets, have you heard about the Lumos Kickstart? This helmet is a total game changer and takes your safety and visibility to a whole new level. This helmet is extremely smart because of the integrated LEDs instead of the usual reflector lights. You can now use your helmet as a turn signal. It even knows when you're slowing down and automatically turns on the brake light. This helmet is extremely smart. The guys at Lumos weren't kidding when they say they care about our safety. These guys gave the helmet about 98 LED lights all around its small frame and gives you 360-degree visibility. Together, these lights shine up so bright that drivers coming from behind can spot you from miles away. Got better ideas for the flash effect? Go ahead! You can easily customize the flashing patterns to suit your own needs and set it to whatever setting you think are better according to your area. Now, if you want to indicate to someone behind you that you want to make a turn here, what will you do? You just nod or use a remote control if that's your thing, and it will activate the turn signals. If it suddenly rains in the middle, then don't worry about it. This helmet is water resistant, so it's got you covered even in a downpour. And the battery life? Up to 10 hours. If you're a tech geek, this one's for you. The Lumos Kickstart is compatible with Apple Watch and Android smartphones, and there's even an app you can connect to. The app lets you customize the lights, track your rides, and stay connected while you're out there pedaling. Revolt Air Tag. Do you get worried at times that what you will do if your bike gets stolen? This is when you know you need to buy a Revolt Air Tag, the ultimate bike buddy to keep your wheels safe and sound. This is a little tracking device that you can attach to your bicycle. Once you've connected the AirTag to your app, you can track where your bike's been taken after getting snatched, so you could call the cops and get it back. With its super small size of just 3 inches in length and a weight of only 0.3 ounces, you or anyone else riding it won't even know it's there. The Bluetooth tracking will give you real-time tracking, so you're never too late to intercept, and a battery that just won't die. The most useful feature is the privacy feature that gives you control of deciding who gets access to track your bike. Or if you left it somewhere and is suddenly moving away from your phone, the phone will start to beep to let you know something's up. Because of its shockproof and waterproof design, it could take on challenges. Going through rain, puddles, and even accidental bike flips is no big deal for this AirTag. Now, just in case your bike does go missing, or maybe you forgot where you parked it, the engineer designed it for such cases too. They gave the AirTag an insane battery life, lasting a single charge for up to a whole year. This means you could forget about constantly charging it and focus on enjoying your rides. Simple and hassle-free, just the way it should be. This AirTag is so easy to use, even your grandma can use it. All you have to do is connect the AirTag to your smartphone through Bluetooth, and you're all set. The app shows you the exact location of your bike on a map. So if some sneaky thieves try to mess with your wheels, you'll know exactly where they're headed. If you seriously want to protect your bike and keep thieves away from it, having an AirTag is the way to go. The Cigalight Dash Pro 1000. At work during the day and can only ride at night? No problem. The Cigalight Dash Pro 1000 has you covered. This exceptional light pumps out an impressive 1000 lumen lights, which is equal to 1000 candles lighting at the same time, is a complete powerhouse of a light. It's perfect for those late night adventures when you need to see and be seen by others on the road. Because of this amazing spec, you can now expect light to be thrown up to a range of 180 meters. This means you can now spot stuff that's way ahead of you. It's really mind-blowing how you can get so much from such a small device, so you can avoid those surprise close calls with unseen obstacles that give you a mini heart attack. As far as the charging goes, it's super convenient. It's a USB rechargeable device, so you could hook it up to any USB charging adapter you want. This is a great idea, since you don't have to keep going out and buying disposable batteries every now and then. And it's built to take on anything nature has to throw at it. It could be rain, wind, dust, moisture, you name it. This light just doesn't quit. On a single charge, you'll get an impressive 80 hours of battery, which is more than enough for your daily riding needs, and even better. You won't have to keep worrying about charging the device every time you come back from using it because of its battery level indication that will help you plan ahead and charge accordingly. If we could suggest one light, we would suggest the Cigalight Dash Pro 1000 as the go-to choice for all the night riders out there. It's a great choice for those who want a high-powered, reliable, and weatherproof bike light to keep their track or road or wherever they like to ride bright and safe. Foldylock. Need to park your bike and have to run an errand? You could just lock your bike with Foldylock and not worry about getting your bike stolen so you could finish up errands in peace. Made from hardened steel, it has some serious strength, and its patented locking mechanism stands as a blocker against potential attacks. Apart from being compact, it's made from hardened steel and uses a patented locking mechanism that could take on any theft attempt. Plus, it's weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about rust and decay. To make sure it stays in top condition for the maximum amount of time, it comes with its own carrying case that protects it from scratches and other potential damage. When we say compact, we mean portability. When you fold it up, it shrinks to just about 33 inches long, making it easy to carry along your bike. You can even fit it inside your backpack. When you talk about safety, this lock has a silver rating, which is one of the highest levels you can get for a folding lock, and makes these crooks think twice. This lock might cost you a little more, and might not be a top choice for anyone looking for a compact, lightweight, and secure bike lock. Whether you're cruising through the city or commuting to work, this lock has got your back, giving you peace of mind that your bike is locked down tight, making it worth the investment for the level of security and durability it brings to the table. What do you think about the cool bicycle gadgets of 2023? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed today's video, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be always updated with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.